Hey guys, Brian here with VetteSource checking in on a Tuesday, New Year's Eve, December 31st. Thanks for stopping by. Today what I'm going to be featuring is another one of our field collection cars my buddy has acquired over the years. Now, you Mopar guys will be looking and notice this is in fact a 73 Plymouth Barracuda. I'm not sure of my designation because I'm mainly a GM guy, but I know it's Cuda or Barracuda. I think it's Barracuda by this time. So, as you can see, looking at it, it's a heavy project car. But the one thing different about this one and some of the other cars I've detailed, including the 69 Satellite that we have out back that's in the field, is doing a walk around about this. This car was taken apart, excuse me, many years ago. In fact, I think the inspection sticker is from '99. Yeah, so it's been off the road for quite a while. But one thing about this car that's interesting, from what I can tell, is that even this old Department of Defense sticker, this is a Naval Air Station Dallas, and if I remember my military stickers correctly, that is from well, it says 1 November 79. Thought that 5 might have meant 75. But regardless, this car has been in Texas for probably almost its entire life. So, even though it was taken apart, the one thing I like to detail, and of course everybody that's into Mopars knows the Mopar sheet metal has a tendency to deteriorate rather fastly or quickly. This car has been inside, so if you look, this has really, actually very nice sheet metal. The inner fender aprons are really good on this car. I don't know, the fender tag is gone on this. I'm almost certain this was a 318 car if I remember what my buddy was telling me. The core support is still good. There's the original transmission. There's our other fender apron right there. Even the corners of the firewall are not damaged. The torque boxes are good. No damage here on our inner aprons. The windshield frame is really nice. Just actually a really nice Mopar. The doors have surface rust, but they're not corroded. In fact, the original paint is still inside here. These are all workable panels. The floorboards are even intact in this car. They're a little bit dirty, but look at the firewall. The seams are still in it. The corners aren't heavily rusted and, destroyed. The windshield frame's good. I mean, this is probably the cleanest project Mopar that's been sitting around forever that I think I've seen ever. The only thing that did deteriorate, like most of them, yeah, even these back here, the torque boxes are clean. You can still see that factory blue paint. Is the trunk floor is rotted through on this one. Probably more. Man, you know what? It's not rotten. Somebody cut this piece out. So it may have actually had some corrosion there that they wanted to fix, and they never got around to it. Yeah, looking at it, honestly, even the trunk floor on this side is not rusted through. The back taillight panel is perfect. The quarter panel, I mean, guys, it's crazy. Now, these might be... Now, guys, I think these are original to the car. Yeah, because there's that blue paint underneath there. I would assume this car was garage kept for most of its life. It's clean, guys. It is a clean project to start with. I'm trying to go around and find more corrosion, but honestly, I can't even find any actual rot through, other than that one piece that they cut out. There's underneath the floor. The floor is still solid in this car. Let me check underneath here. Maybe there's some moisture hiding back here. No. It's actually... There's a spot right there. There we go. There's a spot. But guys, this is probably by far one of the more solid Mopars I've come across. There's the rear valance panel right there. Trunk panels here. It's not, well, somebody cut it again. It's odd. Maybe they were doing cutouts. to fix small areas of concern. The thing that blows me away really is this firewall being as clean as it is, and the windshield pillars. It's really neat. So this one is available. I do not have the engine for this one. This is a rolling chassis. As you can see, the rear diff is still in it, obviously. There it is, right there. Drive shaft's in the trunk. This was an AC car. Transmission's right there. There's our front and rear bumpers. Header panels here. The grill panels there, even though I do see damage on this. So it probably will need to be replaced. You saw the AC condenser was in the back. There's the dash skeleton. Of course, the dash pad's ripped up. I think you can replace that. Center console's in it. Steering column. There's the original seats. So, in fact, let's see. We got one original wheel. Let's see how many original wheels are on this car. There's that AC box I was talking about. There's the radiator. 2. So it's got 3 of the original wheels. You can see all the stainless trim is inside here, along with this turn signals and such. So, you know, just consider this a good foundation. I do believe that there is a clean title with this car as well. So it's just one of those that, you know, it happens a lot, guys. Everybody has ideas of restoring their car in their head, and when they take it apart, they realize there's a lot more work involved in this than just for the casual backyard mechanic. So let that be a cautionary tale. But if I was a Mopar guy, I'd be all over this, because frankly, you can make a beast out of this thing. Being a 73, the values aren't as high as the earlier cars, but it still basically looks the same with a few different accoutrements, I believe. But what a foundation to start with. So if you've got an interest in it, definitely give me a call, 832-654-7367. My name is Brian, and I can give you some more information on the car. If you also have an interest, you're overseas or something, you can also reach me in the comments section below the video, and I'll check back with you guys. Actually, next I'm going to go ahead and detail, just as a teaser, this 69 Sport Satellite convertible, which it's a real Sport Satellite convertible with a 4-speed. So tomorrow I'll be back with that car, detailing this one. So we will check back with you then. Thanks again for watching, guys.